peacefully in the sky, Max and Lily revel in a balloon ride among the clouds. Unburdened by worry, they giggle and gesture at the world below. The leader, a gruff captain, steps forward, his eyes narrowing with distrust as he prepares to confront the supposed adversaries. Lily's delicate hands trace the cold, damp walls, each touch a desperate plea for discovery.
What if one single prompt could turn into an entire 30-plus minute video, complete with scenes, characters, and storytelling magic? This AI tool does exactly that, and I just made a 41-minute video without lifting a finger. This AI tool lets you choose the exact video length you want, your story, your rules. Would you believe this entire kid's story was made using just one simple prompt? What if you could create videos that are just as long or as short as you want? Whether it's a quick 1-minute teaser or a full 30-plus minute story, now you're in control. No limits, no restrictions, just pure creative freedom. With just one click, I created a 41-minute and 33-second video. Yep, one click. This AI tool doesn't just save time, it brings your entire story to life in minutes. Ever wanted to tell a long story without losing your characters halfway through? With Magic Light, not only can you create videos over 30 minutes long, but your characters stay consistent from start to finish, like they never left the scene. Want to create longer stories with consistent characters and pro-level animation? And take it to the next level using Animate Pro for stunning visuals that truly stand out. With Animate Pro, your scenes become smoother, your visuals sharper, and your entire video more polished, like a true pro production. Ever wanted your characters to truly reflect your vision? Now you can upload your own pictures to customize every detail, turning your imagination into animated reality. Bring your child's imagination to life. Upload real pictures to create personalized characters and turn simple ideas into magical kids' stories or adorable picture book videos, just the way they imagined. Now you can create full-length Hollywood-style movies with consistent characters from start to finish. No more jumps, no more mismatches, just pure cinematic storytelling powered by AI. After doing a lot of research, I discovered an incredible tool that helps you create animated kids' story videos without the stress or expensive software. Usually you'd need different tools for each step: writing the story, making the images, turning them into animations, adding voiceovers, and editing the final video. And on top of that, you'd end up spending hundreds of dollars every month on all those subscriptions. Today, I'll introduce you to a powerful all-in-one tool that makes storytelling easy. Whether you want to create kids' stories, adventure tales, horror scenes, or even cinematic Hollywood-style movies, this tool can do it all in one place. And the best part? These videos can be monetized on YouTube. So make sure to watch till the end, because I'll show you how to start creating these amazing videos with just a few clicks. The tool we're using today is called Magic Light, and it's designed to save you both time and effort. With Magic Light, creating story videos becomes super easy. Just enter a simple prompt and the tool takes care of everything. To get started, click the link in the description and sign up using your email. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to a user-friendly dashboard that looks like this. The layout is clean and simple, making it easy to find your way around. You can also explore stories made by other users right here on the platform. If you want to create your own character first, click on Create AI Character. But if you want to make a complete AI video from start to finish, just click on Create AI Video. Once you click, it will open an interface like this. As you can see, Magic Light uses the DeepSeek R1 model along with advanced AI technology. This powerful model helps with script breakdown, content generation, image prompts, and more, all designed to give you better and faster results. Here is the prompt section, where you can either write your own prompt or paste an existing script. For this video, I'll use a simple prompt. To come up with a good one, I'll use ChatGPT to get some creative ideas for our kid's story. Here's what you need to do next. First, go to our official website, learnifyaiofficial.com, and copy the kid story prompt from there. Then, paste that prompt into ChatGPT. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 3 creative and fun kid stories for you. Take your time to read each one and choose the story you like best. Once you've chosen your favorite story, just copy it and paste it into the prompt section on Magic Light. After that, you can select the aspect ratio. Right here, for this video, I'm going with the landscape option. Next, choose the video language from this section. I'll keep it in English for now. Now it's time to select a style for your video. As you can see, there are plenty of styles to choose from, including 3D cartoon, Disney, epic, realistic, Ghibli, kid story, animals, suspense, painting, LOL, clay, cyberpunk, GTA, comic, anime, josei romance, Zootopica, meow, and more. Pick the one that best matches your story. For this video, I'm choosing the Disney style. Next, it's time to choose the duration of your video. You have full control here. You can select from 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, or even 20 to 30 minutes. To fully test the tool and see its capabilities, I selected the maximum duration, 20 to 30 minutes. Then I clicked Next. It takes just a few minutes, usually between 1 to 5 minutes, even for a longer video like this one. Wow, the tool has analyzed the entire story, created a full synopsis, and broken it down scene by scene. It even shows the estimated video length and the number of images it will use. Now, I'll click Next to move forward. This will take you to the cast page, where you can select or create characters for your video. If you're not sure which characters to use, you can simply choose the Auto Cast option. The tool will analyze your story and automatically generate multiple characters for you. No extra effort needed. Now click on Edit Character. From here, you can manage multiple characters. This is one of the best features because it keeps your characters consistent throughout the entire video, making your story look polished and professional. You can either pick from the existing characters or create your own custom ones. On the character creation page, you'll need to set name, gender, category, and age for each character. To create a new character, you'll also need to enter a prompt with the character's details. Don't worry, to make this easier, I've already prepared a character prompt for you. Just go to learnifyaiofficial.com, copy the prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then analyze your story and give you a full description of each character, including their look, clothing, and style. Once you get the details, start with the first character, which is our male character. Copy the prompt and paste it into Magic Light. Then click Generate Image, and the AI will create the character for you. Generated, select the character and click Confirm. Repeat the same steps for all other characters in your story. Once all your characters are ready, click on Next to move forward. This section lets you fine-tune your project. First, let's set the voiceover speed. I'm going to keep it at 0.9 for a natural flow. After that, you can select the narrator's voice. There are several voice options available, and you can preview each one by clicking the Audition button. If you click on a specific scene, you can preview both the image and the voiceover for that part. You can also assign different voice artists to match your characters. Now, by clicking here, you can preview the voiceover for each scene. And if needed, you can also change the voice for any character to better match their role in the story. Listen to each voice and imagine which one best fits your characters. Look and style. In my case, we have 4 characters in the story, so I carefully listened and selected voices that match their appearances. You can also make changes here. Swap characters or voices if needed. This stage also allows you to change storyboards. You can set actions like punching, holding hands, pushing away, holding the waist, arguing, or raising a glass. But for this video, I'm keeping everything as it is and clicking Confirm. You can also view the prompts used to generate each image. If you're not happy with a particular scene, you can enhance it using the AI Expand feature. It improves the image using the same prompt. And if you're still not satisfied, just click Regenerate to get a brand new image, at no extra cost. Now comes one of the most powerful features, animation. Magic Light lets you animate your scenes and characters. I've been creating videos for years, and I haven't seen any other AI tool offer this level of animation. It's truly a game changer. From here, you can choose from a variety of animation options. I'm going with the Animate Pro option. After that, you can either give a custom animation prompt or let the AI handle it on its own. I'll choose the AI option and click OK to let it automatically create the animations based on each scene. The AI will begin animating your images one by one. You can do this manually for each scene, or to save time, simply click Select all and then click Next. This will animate all your scenes at once, and now here's the final result. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. All our scene images have been turned into smooth animations. Just take a look. Seriously, tell me, which other tool gives you this level of animation with so little effort? I clicked Next, and now it's telling me that 224 pictures haven't been animated yet. It asks if I want to animate all of them. I selected Yes and clicked on Animate All. On the next page, we can set the cover title for the video. After that, we move to the subtitle settings. I chose the first caption style for a clean look. You can also adjust the background music volume here. I lowered it slightly to make sure the voiceover is easy to hear. Once everything is set, click Generate Video. If you want to make any last-minute changes, you can also adjust the aspect ratio here. When you're ready, click OK, and the AI will begin creating your final video. And here it is, the final result.
Drifting peacefully in the sky, Max and Lily revel in a balloon ride among the clouds, their laughter echoing in the serene expanse. Unburdened by worry, they giggle and gesture at the world below, their joy amplifying the tranquility of their sky-high adventure. Oblivious to the gathering storm, their carefree smiles belie the impending tempest that lurks just beyond the horizon. The storm retreats, leaving Max and Lily stranded on a floating island amidst the clouds, where the balloon lies in ruins. Emerging from the wreckage, Max and Lily are unharmed but stunned by the breathtaking spectacle of the island's alien flora and rock formations. Their eyes widen with wonder as they behold the surreal landscape. Strange plants and towering rock formations stretching as far as the eye can see. Mistaking Max and Lily for rival treasure hunters, the pirates encircle them. The leader, a gruff captain, steps forward, his eyes narrowing with distrust as he prepares to confront the supposed adversaries. Trapped within the island's ancient tower, Max and Lily find themselves swallowed by the oppressive darkness, a silent testament to their desperate plight. With unwavering resolve, Max kneels before the formidable wooden door, his brow furrowed in concentration as he battles the intricate lock mechanism. Lily's delicate hands trace the cold, damp walls, each touch a desperate plea for discovery. In their isolated prison, hope flickers as they push against the unyielding stone and ancient wood, seeking a path towards freedom. In the heart of the island tower, Max's nimble fingers conquer the lock, revealing a corridor. With bated breath, they cautiously peer into the dimly lit corridor. Moving with stealth and resolve, they navigate the shadowy depths. On the floating island, Max and Lily tread shrouded in ominous shadows.
That was pretty cool, right? Before, creating just one story used to take a lot of time and effort. But with Magic Light, the entire process becomes so much easier. All you have to do is enter a prompt, and the tool gives you full control to customize everything just the way you want. Plus, you can use Magic Light to create all kinds of videos, from kids' stories to cinematic animations and more. Magic Light also gives you some free credits to get started and create videos. But if you want to create content faster and unlock more advanced features, I highly recommend going for their subscription. As you can see, it's priced at just $10, which is quite affordable. I've added the link in the description, so feel free to check it out. All relevant links and prompt find on learnifyaiofficial.com. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave comments with your thoughts and suggestions for future trending topics. If you're interested in discovering whether you can create a blockbuster movie using AI, click on the video to your left. If you're ready to learn how to create 100% free health videos with AI, YouTube automation course, click on the video to your right. Thank you for joining me on this learning journey. Happy Learnify AI, goodbye.